Aloha. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Monday, March 30th. Our number of total confirmed cases remains at 12, with no new cases reported since Sunday's update. Of those 12 cases, 6 individuals have either recovered or returned to their home on the mainland. The remaining 6 active cases are residents who all remain in home isolation. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency or KEMA site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated every day at noon. As a reminder for those who experienced property damage as a result of Saturday's storm and flood event, please report that damage online by going to our KEMA website at www.kauai.gov/KEMA and click on the button that says March 2020 Flood Damage Report. If you do not have online access or need further assistance, please call KEMA at 241-1800. Mahalo. We have received a lot of questions regarding various county services, such as driver's licensing and refuse transfer stations, so we wanted to provide an update on those services. As a reminder, public access to the DMV is closed until further notice. Here are some things you need to know when it comes to your vehicle registration, transfers, safety checks, and driver's licenses. For vehicle title transfers will not be assessed late transfer penalties. For safety checks, the annual safety check requirement is suspended and no safety checks will be done through the month of April. If your safety check is expired, it will remain valid through May 31st. For vehicle registration renewals, there are still several ways for customers to renew vehicle registration while the DMV is closed. We are still processing mail and anything that comes through the drop box located on the right side of the glass doors at the Kapule building. The registration kiosks at both Safeway locations are also free of charge. Also, the County of Kauai is currently absorbing any and all fees associated with online payments through the Hawaii Information Consortium. This includes motor vehicle registration renewals, real property tax payments, and sewer payments. For driver's licensing, the County of Kauai will be offering extensions for residents with expiring driver's licenses. Licenses and identification cards that expire in the months of March, April, May, and June are automatically covered by a 90-day extension. The extension is effective immediately, includes all valid Kauai driver's licenses, learner's permits, and identity cards. For applicable licenses, late fees will not be assessed during this period. This extension does not apply to licenses that have expired before March. Regarding travel, Transportation Security Administration is accepting expired driver's licenses or state IDs that expired on or after March 1st for use at TSA checkpoints. Also, the deadline for the Gold Star will be extended past October 1st, 2020. As a reminder, no one should be traveling at this time unless absolutely necessary. Lastly, county officials would like to remind the public that while county refuse transfer stations located in Hanalei, Kapa'a, Lihue, and Hanapepe and the Kekaha landfill remain open during normal facility hours. However, use shall be limited to disposal of solid waste items resulting from essential activity only in accordance with Emergency Rule Number 5. Customers are urged to practice social distancing while at county facilities to protect themselves and the county employees who help make the service possible. Signs will be posted and staff will be reminded customers of this directive. Household refuse collection is operating on the normal schedule Monday through Friday. Please call the Solid Waste Office at 241-4091 with questions. Thank you all for continuing to stay updated. Tomorrow we will discuss federal relief programs in more detail. Again, it's important that we continue to protect ourselves and others. At this point, the best way to do that is to act as though you are carrying COVID-19, act as others you encounter throughout your day are carriers of COVID-19, and then act accordingly to keep it from spreading to others. That means staying home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, keep a distance of 6 feet of separation. Do not leave home if you're sick, unless you are seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. We're going to get through this, Kauai. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Center for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly with detailed guidance related to COVID-19. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. And last but not least, be kind. We can do this, Kauai. Take care of one another. God bless and aloha.